Hitech Intelligent Equipment is a high-tech enterprise based in Chuzhou City, Anhui Province, China, specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of specialized robots and critical components. Founded, we have since been dedicated to technological innovation and manufacturing excellence in the field of specialized engineering robots. Our core business includes the research and development, manufacturing, and provision of comprehensive solutions for specialized robots. Our products and solutions find wide-ranging applications across industries such as metal processing, mining, cement, construction, environmental protection, firefighting, and nuclear industries. We take pride in our extensive portfolio of over 150 proprietary patents and a reservoir of achievements. These assets enable us to continuously innovate and cater to the demands of our clients in extreme environments. Our research and development team comprises university professors, experts, and Ph.D. holders totaling nearly 50 dedicated professionals. They encompass various disciplines, including mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, hydraulics, and software control, and bring over 20 years of experience in the development and manufacturing of engineering machinery. Our facility covers an area of 6,000 square meters, with a workforce exceeding 100 employees. Annually, we produce 200 units of specialized robots, including fixed crushers and demolition robots. In addition to serving the domestic market, we have successfully expanded our global presence, exporting our demolition robots and fixed crushers to over 10 countries and regions, including European Union member states, Southeast Asia, and other key destinations. At Hitech Intelligent Equipment, we are committed to providing high-quality specialized robots and comprehensive solutions to meet various demands in extreme and high-risk environments. We take pride in our robust research and development team, proprietary core technologies, and decades of industry expertise, which empower us to continuously innovate and offer the most reliable solutions to our clients.